The materials to be discussed is conditional sentence. And then there is the objective of the study of conditional sentence. Number 1, to identify and understand conditional sentence in a reading text, such as recognizing definition, structure, and examples. Number 2, to analyze the structure and meaning of conditional sentence, such as interpreting condition and results in different contexts. Number 3, to apply conditional sentence in communication or discussion based on the reading text. Number 4, to identify and understand the exception used in conditional sentence. Number 5, to analyze the error words in written expression related to conditional sentence. Next definition. A conditional sentence is a type of sentence used to express a condition and the result that follows from that condition. In other words, it shows that one action or situation will happen only if another action or situation occurs first. Generally, a conditional sentence consists of two clauses. The conditional clause, the part that states the condition. The main clause, the part that shows the result or consequence of that condition. The conditional clause usually begins with the word if, although other words such as unless, when, as long as, provided that, and in case can also introduce conditions. Basic structure. The most common pattern of a conditional sentence is if plus condition result. Examples: if it rains, we will stay at home.
Characteristic 1 consists of two clauses. Conditional sentence have two parts: if clause condition and main clause result. And 2, usually introduced by if. Most conditional sentences start with if to express the condition, but other words such as unless, when, as long as, and provide that can also be used. And 3, flexible clause order. The if clause and main clause can change position. And 1, if the if clause comes first, it is followed by a comma. Yang 2, if the main clause comes first, a comma is usually not needed. And 4, use specific verb tense patterns. Conditional sentence follows certain tense structures depending on the type, such as zero conditional, first conditional, second conditional, and third conditional. And 5, express possible or hypothetical situation. Conditional sentences are used to describe facts, possibilities, prediction, imaginary situation, or past regret. Various types. 1. Zero conditional. Its function is to general truth, scientific fact, habit, patterns. If plus present simple. Example: if you hot water, it will boil. And 2. First conditional. Its function is to real and possible future situation. Pattern: if plus simple present will plus base verb. And example: if it rains, I will stay at home. 3. Second conditional. Its function is to unreal or imaginary situation and unlikely event in present future. Pattern: if plus past simple, world plus base verb. Example: if I won the lottery, I will travel around the world. 4. Third conditional. Its function is to unreal situation is the past and regrets and reflection. Patterns: if plus past perfect, would have plus verb 3. Example, if I had studied harder, I would have. Example, if had studied harder, I would have passed the.
Okay, next I want to explain about exception. Number 1, use modal verbs can, might, should, and must. Number 2, use unless instead of if not. Number 3, use imperative sentences in the main clause. Number 4, use inversion without if. Had I known, where are you? Number 5, use mixed conditional. And last, use different tenses if. Okay, next, the example of written expression and analyzing errors in written conditional sentences. Number 1, if you hate water, boils. This sentence is correct because it used the zero conditional pattern. Explain if plus simple present but expresses a general truth or scientific fact. Number 2, first conditional. If she studies hard, she will pass the exam. Reason, this sentence is correct because it follows the first conditional structure. If plus simple present, will plus base verb, it shows a possible situation in the future. Next, number 3 is about second conditional. If I will have enough money, I will buy a new car. It's example. The reason why this sentence is incorrect because the clause should not use will in the second conditional form. For example, if I had enough money, I would buy a new car. Number 4, third conditional. If they had left earlier, they would have caught the bus. The reason why the sentence is correct because it follows the third conditional structure. If plus past perfect would have plus past participle, it describes an unreal situation in the past and its imagined result. Okay, in the last slide is about conclusion. Conditional sentences are used to show a relationship between a condition and its result. There are 4 main types of conditional sentences: 0, first, second, and third conditional. It's serving different purposes such as expressing facts, possibilities, imaginary situation, and past regrets. In addition, English also allows several exceptions and variations, making conditional sentences flexible and useful in everyday communication. Okay, thank you very much for your time and attention today. It was a pleasure presenting to you all. Thank you once again. Wassalamualaikum